looking for a suitable and affordable home to live with your family and you don't have that full funds to buy that home, then think purchasing off-plan property. Yes, purchasing off-plan property is an option because it has worked for many people and can also work for you. Hello, my name is Jacinta, your lady realtor and the lead consultant of Janick Properties. Our priority is to help you invest in profitable real estate with ease. I welcome you to the 9th episode of Real Estate Investment Talk with Jacinta. I started this series so as to educate you and inform you on everything real estate, so as to make the right investment decisions and the right purchases. So our returning visitors, I say a very big thank you for always stopping by to see what is new in the real estate market in Nigeria. To our new visitors, I say a very big welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on amazing and educating videos like this. This episode is all about factors to consider before purchasing off-plan properties, and I'm going to give you 7 factors to consider before purchasing that off-plan property. So stay tuned as I bring you the full details. Welcome back. I will start by defining off-plan properties. Off-plan property is a type of real estate investment that involves purchasing a property before it has been constructed. This can be an attractive investment opportunity for many buyers, as it allows them to purchase a property at a lower price than what it would have cost once it has been built. This also allows the buyers to start with a deposit and spread the payment within a specific period of time. It also gives the investors time to plan and save. So in spite of the opportunities, there are important factors to consider before purchasing off-plan properties. These factors will guide you so you don't have regrets afterwards. The first factor to consider is to check the location of the project. Location is one of the most important factors to consider even before investing in real estate. So before you purchase that off-plan property, you need to evaluate the location potential for growth, accessibility, amenities, neighborhood safety, and proximity to essential services like hospitals, schools, transportations, and many others. 2. Research the developer's reputation. Yes, you need to research the developer's track records and reputation to ensure they have a history of delivering projects on time and maintaining quality. 3. Carefully review the legal documents. Yes, you need to fully understand all the legal documents, which includes sales contracts, licenses, permits, and many others, so as to know your rights and obligations, and also the time frame for the completion of the project before signing. You need to also ensure that the developer has obtained all the necessary planning permission and permits for the project. 4. Know the property specifications. Understand the property's layout, features, and finishes to ensure that they align with your preferences and requirements. 5. Do your market research. Analyze the local market trends and future prospects to estimate the property's potential appreciation. 6. Know the payment structure. You need to know the payment schedule and terms to ensure that it suits your financial capability and comfort. 7. Know the completion time frame. You need to have a clear understanding of the expected completion time frame and potential delays, as off-plan properties may take time to be ready. Yes, of course, you know that I'm going to give you a bonus factor to consider, which is consult with experts. It is very important to seek advice from a real estate professional like Janick Properties or legal advisors to ensure you have a comprehensive understanding of the investments. In conclusion, investing in off-plan properties can be a great way to build property portfolio. So it is very, very important to carefully consider the factors I've given to you before any investment decisions. By doing your due diligence and seeking professional advice, you can make that informed investment that will deliver the returns you are looking for. So this brings us to the end of this episode. Yes, I defined what off-plan properties are and also gave you the opportunities that you get when you invest in off-plan properties and also the factors to consider before purchasing that off-plan property. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you learned something new today. Like I said before, this is our 9th episode, which means that we've done episode 1 to 8. If you are yet to watch the episode 1 to 8, then you need to go watch it because it is very, very educating. Very, very educating. You need to learn something about real estate today. And if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on our amazing and educative videos that we'll bring to you. Also follow Janick Properties on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have any enquiries as regards investing in real estate in Nigeria, kindly contact us on 090 1259 4511. My name is Jacinta. Till I come your way next time, keep investing in real estate.